bring yours down. Oh shit! Come, 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 come. Okay, put it down.
So back in November, I made this double-decker heart cake for my mom's birthday. It was easier than I imagined and the end results were perfect. Now I'm on this cake making high and decided to make another one for my father-in-law. So come along with me on this journey creating a letter E cake. This time I'm going with a chocolate cake. I used 2 of Betty Crocker's Devil Food Cake Mix, which is dark chocolate. I baked them in 2 9x13 pans, which I greased and lined with parchment paper. After they were cooled off completely, I removed the parchment paper and carefully cut off the dome to create a leveled sheet cake. From there, I cut out the letter E for his name, which is Eric. For the stencil, I just drew, cut, and laminated it on cardstock paper. Once you have plated your first level, it's time to assemble. Bring out all your toppings and frostings or fillers. I have a variety of chocolate candies that I jazzed up with a little edible gold flakes and luster dust, along with chocolate-covered strawberries. For the filling, I am partnering up the chocolate cake with Cool Whip and chocolate pudding to mimic a trifle cake. Using a big round tip, I piped the Cool Whip bulbs on the perimeter of the E and then added the chocolate pudding in the center. Okay, things don't always go perfectly. Here is where my heart broke into pieces, literally. Watch until the very end to see how I was able to salvage this cake. Once I transferred the top layer cake, I piped and repeated the Cool Whip and pudding. The final step is to add your toppings. I like to start off by balancing out the biggest items, which are the strawberries, and then I'll go in with the smaller candies. After all the toppings found a home, I put the cake in the fridge to help the middle filling set and strengthen because it has a big responsibility to hold up that heavy top layer. And that about wraps up this cake. I really like how it turned out. Stay tuned because my son's birthday cake is next. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please give it a like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. Also, please say hello in the comments. I really do love to hear from you all. Have a great weekend, and I'll be back with more videos. Bye guys!